And welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to Bitcoin. So you can see the price is at $54,000, and I think we will fall to the downside even if we have this constellation. Yeah, even if the moon boys say okay, the price break the level here. You can see we are a little bit above this line here, $52,000. But I think at $55,000 we have a good resistance. Yeah, if you look here, I think we have here this resistant area. So for me, is here the question: has Bitcoin the energy to go here to these levels, $67,000? If I look to this chart, then I would say no. But if you look here, not sharply, general from the top, then you can recognize rising, break, rising. Yeah. So it could be possible that we could go to 67,000. But the chart here, if I look to this here, then the trend to the top side is nearly broke. Yeah. You can see we dancing on this line here. So once we going here to these levels, 53,000, then we have a really big problems at the Bitcoin price. Yeah. Then we leave the positive channel and go to the negative channel, and you can see how near we are on this border. Look here. And if you take this exactly at the moment, it seems that we break the border to the downside. Yeah, if you want, I can adjust a little bit. Yeah, and you can see maybe today we break this to the downside. Let's look. Let's adjust to this place. You see how near we are at these levels. And let's look to the RSI. Let's look. Yes, if you look to this here, this is not positive. Yeah, so I think I work here with the 1 minute chart because from this point you cannot recognize so much. Yeah, if you look here, then I would say, okay, if I see this here, then the next move is to the top side. Yeah, something like that. Then, I mean, if we go here to these levels, then you can see we touch this 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Then I think we will break here down to the downside and try to retest this again. But in my eyes, mm, the price of Bitcoin will go here to the downside because I analyzed this today 24 hours. Yeah, I take the time and say, okay, I want to know this exactly and analyze this 24 hours. Yeah, and in this 24 hours, um, I come to the conclusion that we have lose our energy, yeah, to go here to the top side. Maybe I said this also in before at the beginning of the video. Maybe we could go here to this 68,000, but if you look to the whole chart, then you can recognize that we already lose our energy at the Bitcoin price at this point here. Yeah, normally the move is something like that. Yeah, and then we break here to the top side, and now you can see a little bit stretched to the downside, so that you can recognize that we are too late to break this out. So it's not so positive in my eyes. Yeah. I also showed you um, this year that we are dancing on this line here, and this is not stable in my eyes. If you zoom in and if you look to this chart on the RSI, then you can recognize that we already coming to the end. Yeah, we have a little bit energy to go here to the top side. It's not so that we have no energy. Yeah, we could go in this pattern to the top side and reach here 56,000 is possible. But what happens after that? Here 56,000. Now you can see we touch this one time, two time, three time, and then I think then we will lose our energy at the moment. To me, at the moment, it's negative. Yeah, I think the first target in which we will fall is 50,000. After that, we will fall to 40,000. It will be go very quick. After 40,000, I don't know what's happening here. I think something like that steeple formations in November. That we are here at this 41,000 levels, and then the second move from 40,000 to direction of 20,000. Yeah. Why am I so negative? Some of the people write me and say why you are negative, because I never see a formation. If you make here a retest, yeah, this is a trend to the top side. If you make here a retest that we have the energy to go more to the top side, yeah. Even this year, we have to come to back to 40,000. Then we could say, okay, 40,000, we take this energy and go to 68,000. Yeah, then I would say, okay, this is maybe realistic, but at the moment, due to this formation is very negative because we test this one time, two time, three time, and most of the test like here, yeah, you can see one time, two time, three time, the fourth time we try this but fail, and we have the similar situation also here in big, one time, two time, yeah, three time if you take this, and this is the fourth time like this, yeah. So I would not risk. Yeah, I know the Moon Boys, they predict more areas like 100,000, 80,000, 70,000, but um, at the moment I see this not. Yeah, I not see this. Especially if you look how close we are at this point. Now you can see that we will go here to the top side, but I think these are the last actions. If you look to the RSI, uh, yeah, we have the possibility to go here to the top side, but what happens after that? We could also get something like that here, a fake outbreak. If you look this year, that we're not going here to the downside, we make this move here to 57,000 and fall from directly from here. So we have these possibilities, this and this. Like, let's see what happens. Have a nice day.